My car got stolen. Every single day, I'm gonna make. I was so happy the other day because I passed my test, my driving test, and I now have a license to drive. And when I went out today, my car got stolen. I don't know if I dropped the key or I left it at the door. I don't know what happened. I can't remember because yesterday I went to have my wrist checked because it's really painful. I don't know what happened. I don't know where I got this fracture, if there is. And I still remember yesterday I locked the door, I locked the car. And today I was going to church and my car's not there anymore. I feel so sad, really. The car is not expensive. We just bought it like 3 months ago, but still, that was my first car. I'm really, really disappointed. You know, this area when we first came here, a few months back, I think we moved here January, and a few weeks after, like 2 weeks after, my bike got stolen. And he just left it like few yards away from here because the tire was flat, so he couldn't use it. So he just left it like probably 500 yards from where he got it. So I just brought it back home, and it's really sad now that my car got stolen twice within 5 months in this area. You know, if you found a key and it's not yours, at least leave it there. Don't take it away. I'm still a new driver. I still need to practice. My husband has his own car, but he used it for work. I'm gonna be if I don't know if I have a picture of that car. So if I can find one, I'm gonna be showing it here in the video. So in case somebody sees this video and sees my car as well, at least you know who to contact. You can just message me or comment down below just in case. I'm still hoping that it's still gonna be found. So we already reported it, and my husband was really pissed because of course, we are all pissed. Who wouldn't be? Your car got stolen. We already reported it to the police, and now he's driving around the area to check if maybe they just left it somewhere near, hoping. But I don't think they're gonna be just leaving it nearby. I've checked online the probability of us getting it back, and we read that we shouldn't be putting our hopes up because the police here are not looking for stolen cars. I don't know how true it is, but that's what we read. But still, I'm hoping that I'm still hoping that it gets returned to us. Anyway, this for this vlog.